Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to set up payment methods in WooCommerce. Let's get started. So if you want to know how it's done, just scroll down right here on your dashboard on your left sidebar until you can see in here the option for settings. Under the settings, you can see the option for WooCommerce. So head over and click on that. And then once you have clicked on that WooCommerce, you should be able to see in here some settings for that. So since we're trying to set up our payment methods, we need to click on these payments right here. So having here our payment. So let's click on it and you can see it right here. So you can see in here these options like enable. As you can see, all of them right here are currently disabled. So what we can do first is we can head over and then just try to enable them. Let's first do this on our Woo payments, which accepts credit card and debit card. Click on this right here in order to enable it. Now in here, it will take some time to load. So head over and then just wait for this. So this will reload your page as well. And then from in there, you should be able to see it enabled and you can see in here this Woo payments. So you need to verify your business details. So for example, click on this right here. And you can see in here the countries that support Woo payments. So if you see your country right here, then it's good for you. So as of right now, I'm currently on Philippines. And as you can see right here, Philippines is not on this list. That means that I won't be able to use Woo payments, but if your country is on this list, you will be able to use it. So in here, let's click on continue. And then as you can see, this will reload our page again. Now just select where your business is legally registered. So just choose the country wherein you are registered right here. So just head over and choose it. Then select your legal entity. It can be individual, company, nonprofit, government entity, whatever you want right here. So for example, let's just choose individual and you can choose what type of goods you're selling. As of right now, I'm selling clothes. So let's choose this and click on this continue. And then just put in your estimated annual e-commerce revenue. So for example, let's put in here this last time. Then estimated timeline for taking your store live. So let's choose this my store is already live since we have already made this possible. I'll click on this continue right here and you just need to verify your identity with their partner. So let's just wait for this right here. So as you can see, it will direct you to the Stripe. So just head over and then just register your email through Stripe right here. This is powered by Stripe. Select your email right here and click on continue and then just proceed with the process from in there. Then from in there, just log in, put in here your password and email, and then log into your account, and you should be able to set up your payment methods using Woo payments in WooCommerce. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, then leave a like or subscribe because it helps from reach more people. See you soon.